morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are on the second part of video review of this amazing smartwatch from Kospet. We have here the Kospet Magic 3. The first video, we showed you the specs, the design of the smartwatch. So, in short, we have some unboxing, okay, of this new smartwatch from Kospet, the Kospet Magic 3. And this time we are going to check on its features menus of this beautiful sporty smartwatch. Okay, if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Okay, so let's turn it on, okay, or activate the display. Okay, so we have here the Kospet Magic 3 smartwatch. But before that, okay, right now it is available in the Kospet website, kospet.com. So as you can see here, we have the smartwatch, okay, with the price drop, okay, available in black, blue, and pink color options. Okay, so this is the website, official website of kospet.com. Okay, so beautiful colors for the smartwatch, beautiful, sporty, premium looking design smartwatch. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. Okay, again, I'm going to wear it to show you how the smartwatch looks like. Okay, when you are wearing the wearable. Okay, so wait. So it has a classic steel bezel here. Okay, okay, so that's it. It looks sporty, it looks good, and widescreen display. Okay, so let's check on the menu of the smartwatch. Okay, I'm just going to remove it temporarily, okay, to show you the menus of the smartwatch up close. Again, let's take a look at the design first of the smartwatch. Durable steel or metal body here. Okay, it has a single button that works as a back and power. Okay, it has a heart rate monitor, magnetic charging cable here, and metal enclosure. Okay, soft flexible strap. Okay, so where's the display? So we have here the menu. Again, here's the bubble type. Okay, menu of the smartwatch. So you can pick, select, okay, if what are the options or the menu that you would like to access here. Okay, so this one, I think this is watch face. We have SpO2 here. We have breathing guide. I wonder what this is. Brightness. Okay, this one, what's this? Okay, so the details of the smartwatch. So this one for the messages. Okay, scrolling from left to right or from right to left, we have the sports here, automatic activity tracking, so it is calculating the calories. Okay, so we have here the sleep. Okay, so light, the rest. Okay, and we have the graphs here, 7-day total. Okay, it's measuring the heart rate. So let's check. So 90 beats per minute. Okay, so it also has a maximum and minimum. Okay, we have the exercise. And let's try to check. So we have walking, running, cycling here. Beautiful UI, by the way. Badminton, basketball, football, swimming, hiking, tennis. We have football, golf, baseball, elliptical, training, rowing. We have trail running, skiing, bowling, dumbbell. Okay, I like this one. Okay, sit up. So let's check for the dumbbell. Okay, so what is the, so it is calculating for the calories and beats per minute as well as the time. Okay, so stop. Okay, exercise too short. How about for the running? Let's check. Okay, okay, let's go for the running. Okay, so it's calculating or monitoring the what? Okay, the steps, of course, the distance, okay, calories and beats per minute and the time. Okay, beautiful animation there, beautiful graphics. Okay, go back. Yes, what else do we have here? So it's also measuring, what's this? I think this is blood pressure. Okay, let's try. Okay, it is calculating. Wonder. Okay, we'll adjust the screen display here when, okay, we'll see. So you still have to activate it first, I think. Okay, it's not auto measuring. Okay, so it may take some time. Let's wait. This is our first time to use this one. Okay, 125. Okay, 68 over 1, or 125 over 68. The systolic and diastolic. Okay, so go back. What else? What else? What are the features here? So far, I like the UI of the smartwatch. Very easy to use and very easy to access. Okay, so this is the weather function. You have to connect your smartwatch to the support app to be able to see. We also have the shutter, so it needs Bluetooth connectivity also. Bluetooth music players, the same feature. Okay, you need a access to the Bluetooth feature here. Okay, home. So we have the settings here. Okay, the display. What's this? Okay, I think this is the vibration mode. For the settings, let's check. We have the brightness. Okay, shake on. Theater. What's theater? Theater mode. Turn off vibration and turn down brightness. Okay, so reset, power off. About, we also have here the QR code. Okay, I guess there's a setting for time limit for the display here. We'll make it longer next time. Okay, so we have the brightness. Okay, we have countdown, alarm, and stopwatch. Okay, so what else here? So we have the menu. Okay, the QR code. Okay, I think it is using the DAFit support app. Okay, SpO2. We also have the blood oxygen. Okay, again, let's go back to the watch face. Okay, so we have at least several options here. Hopefully there are preloaded watch faces, or downloadable watch faces on the support app. Okay, so I like this one. So it shows the weather, the time as well, and data such as the steps, calories, and distance, as well as the heart rate here. So beautiful smartwatch from Kospet. Okay, brush finish here, durable metal body, 2.5D tempered glass. Okay, it looks premium. Okay, it looks like a smartwatch with a very good quality, just from Kospet. Okay, this is your Kospet Magic 3 smartwatch. Check out the details below as well as the link. Okay, if you want to buy this smartwatch from a trusted seller, okay, you can also buy it from Kospet.com, the official website. Okay, this is your Kospet Magic 3 smartwatch. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Bye.